Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Kipat ba nong Shongdum jong ka West Khasi Hills bat ka Eastern West Khasi Hills kin haban mat ya ka jing Shongdum hadu Miet Kynthih namar bakandan ka jing pendu boarding hakini ki arsengi. Executive Engineer jong ka tanat MEPDCL nong ston urajib data ha ka jingran bat kila pathai khubor ha ka khat khandai trik uya yong hazar pulai ulaong ba ka ni ka jing pelip boarding kan sedang nadu ka por khandai beji menstem jong ka arpui trik hadu ka por khandai beji menstem jong ka pulai trik uya yong hazar pulai. Shu ula ongru bakani ke jing penduk boarding hagini ke arti ke district kadai namar bakandan ke jing penbha ya ka arpo MVA jong ka shispa lai pu RKV grid substation hanong kendeng kumta nakaliang jong engineer la kentu ki pat ba nong Shongdum ki arti ke district bakin ya sha lem bat katanan khnang ba an la ban penbit penbiang ya ka boarding.
It is to inform all the general public that there is a major filtration work which is going on in Pendeng. So that major transformer, actually it is giving power supply to two districts, majorly the West Khasi Hills district and the Eastern West Khasi Hills district. So the power supply in these two districts will be affected with effect from 9 a.m. of the 21st April 2023 to 9 a.m. of 23rd April 2023. So inconvenience to the general public is highly regretted, and we will try our best to complete the work as early as possible.